Neighbor, sorry. I mean, Mr. Oyiko. I need your help with something real quick. Are you busy?
Please, I'm not busy. I just want to go and buy something.
Okay, I don't know if you can help me with something inside.
Yes! Yes!
Yes.
How about your sisters?
They are not home and I'm not really used to the whole thing, the settings and all. Please, I don't know if you can accompany me to come check on my TV.
What?
I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know what I pressed. The thing just stopped working.
Stop.
Yes.
You know how many calls were allowed? You know what I studied in school? Legs.
Oh, that's good.
So anything where I used to chew wire, plug wire, hang wire.
Okay, so can we go now?
Okay, now we can go now.
So yeah, I don't know.
It's yes, it's fine.
Thank you.
Yes, it's fine, just like. So say what happened?
I don't know. I tried turning on the TV and everything just went blank. I don't know what I touched. Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Calm down. I told you outside. I studied electric. Like, have you checked injection port?
What?
Oh, sorry, injection port box. You get what they call injection port in electrical terms. That's what supplies light to the house. So every flat have their own injection.
I don't know.
That's not the thing, Sha. Since you have light, injection box is okay.
Good. So
this one you're asking me if I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry, please. Do you have a knife?
say what?
Knife.
Like knife.
Yes. How many kind of knife? One knife now.
Because I was hoping you'd ask for screwdriver or plier, all those things.
No. That one is for serious. This one is a small one. I just want to clean some things and plug it back. So I need knife.
So I should get you knife.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Is this okay?
Yeah, this is okay.
Right.
This one. What I need. This one. Yes.
Oh, right.
Just to clean it.
Are you sure that's safe? Like putting your hand.
No, it's just to clean.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought it. See, like this one now, just.
That's the main.
Yeah, I know. See, just like. No, come now. See, now I'll just put it back. Surprise, just come on.
There's light there.
Everything is just. See, this thing is not what.
Jesus! Oh my God. Jesus! Are you okay? Jesus. Oh my God.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? Mumu.
Okay. Okay, milk. Okay, is that all you want, or should I call the doctor? Should I call someone? Please say something.
Simba's killing man.